What's up? What's up? It's the Pug SSA here, and today we are gonna be looking at cats. Dang, right, you better get into that litter box. You're gonna be so wowed, your pants are gonna get wowed off. So everybody knows cats wouldn't be a platform. Cats made YouTube a thing. If they didn't have cats videos on YouTube, YouTube wouldn't be a platform. But look at this cat. You think this cat cares about YouTube? No, he doesn't. You know what he cares? He cares about the world. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. So I've been trying to tell this cat. Look at it for a second. This cat. Listen, buddy. You can't sit in that. That's not a seat. That's your food. Okay, buddy. I'm just gonna get you out of here. Come on. You're not going. You're going into your village house. So that's a village house. That's a village house. That's Evie. I need to find Dark Knight. I think Dark Knight might be in there. No, he isn't. I don't think he is. So, of course, you all know the title of the last one. A dog, a cat, cats, and a dog. I'm gonna look at cats for a few minutes. Look at this cat. That cat. And some other cats that I don't know where they are. So now, we're going to go to the dogs. Make sure to like and hit that subscribe button. Comment down below. What should I play next? This is a dog.
Oh, yeah.
This is a dog. As you can see. And this, my friends, is an old dog. Dog don't want anything from me. That dog don't want it. So bye. Pug, 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 pug. Pug, 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 pug. Pug, 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 pug. Pug, 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 pug. S-S-A, do, 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 do.